Key term I'm going to take a look at right now is angle bisector. Angle bisector is looking at this diagram over here. This line right here is my angle bisector. That cuts this angle in half. So it makes this angle equal to this angle. So an angle bisector divides an angle into two congruent angles. As noted with these marks right here, this angle is equal to this angle. This line cuts that angle in half, called an angle bisector, which tells you both sides are equal. Let's take a look at problem 4. Using an angle bisector to find angle measures. Again, angle bisector cuts an angle in half, so both sides are equal. This line right here is my angle bisector. It cuts this angle in half. So both sides are equal, which is pointed out with that mark and that mark. So looking at this question here, AC, which is that line right there, bisects angle DAB. If measuring angle DAC is 58, what is angle DAB? So looking at this again, angle DAC, which is right here, that equals 58. What is DAB, which is right there? So this side equals 58. This is my angle bisector right here. This side is 58. So when I do that, I can just plug it in to this equation right here. If measure angle DAB is equal to measure of CAB plus angle DAC, we could say one side is 58, the other side is 58, so we can add 58 plus 58 to equal 116. So looking at this one more time, the angle bisector, this line right here, cuts it in half. This symbol and that symbol tell me that those two angles are equal. And if one side is 58, the other side is 58. So then I could just add those two together to find out what angle DAB is. So again, DAB is 116, which would be this answer right there, because the angle bisector cuts this angle in half. One side equals the other side, which means I could add them together.